France, Spain, Italy. Which European dream destination beckons you? Planning a European adventure is an exciting prospect, filled with visions of charming cobblestone streets, iconic landmarks, and mouth-watering cuisine. But when faced with the plethora of incredible countries the continent has to offer, choosing the right one for your precious travel time and budget can feel like a delightful, yet daunting task. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. If you're currently weighing the allure of France, the vibrancy of Spain, or the timeless beauty of Italy, you're in excellent company. These three powerhouses of culture, history, and gastronomy consistently top travelers' wish lists, and for good reason. However, each possesses its own unique charm and caters to slightly different travel styles. So let's embark on a friendly exploration to help you discern which of these captivating destinations will best fulfill your European dreams. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the Seine River in Paris, the iconic Eiffel Tower twinkling in the distance. Picture yourself getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Barcelona's Gothic quarter, the rhythmic clapping of flamenco echoing from a nearby tableau. Envision savoring a perfectly al dente pasta dish overlooking the rolling hills of Tuscany, a glass of Chianti warming your soul. These are just glimpses of the magic that awaits in France, Spain, and Italy. But to truly decide which country deserves a spot on your itinerary, we need to delve a little deeper into what each has to offer. Let's begin with France, a country often synonymous with elegance, romance, and artistic flair. From the moment you arrive, you're likely to be enveloped in a sense of sophistication. Paris, the city of lights, needs little introduction. Its grand boulevards, world-renowned museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay, and iconic landmarks such as Notre Dame and the Arc de Triomphe are instantly recognizable and endlessly captivating. But France's appeal extends far beyond its capital. The glamorous French Riviera beckons with its azure waters, chic coastal towns like Nice and Cannes, and a taste of the high life. Venture west to Normandy, and you'll encounter poignant historical sites alongside picturesque coastal villages and delectable seafood. Southward lies Provence, a region awash in the fragrant hues of lavender fields, dotted with charming hilltop villages and steeped in Roman history. And let's not forget the culinary landscape of France, a true testament to the art of gastronomy. From delicate pastries and artisanal cheeses to rich sauces and world-class wines, dining in France is an experience to be savored. If your heart yearns for a sophisticated cultural immersion, a taste of romance, and an exploration of diverse landscapes from majestic mountains to sun-drenched coastlines, France might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. However, it's worth noting that France, particularly its major cities and popular regions, can often come with a higher price tag compared to its Iberian and Italian counterparts. Next, we journey south to Spain, a land brimming with passion, vibrancy, and a contagious zest for life. Here, the atmosphere is generally more relaxed and the culture distinctly more fiery. Spain boasts an incredible diversity of regions, each with its own unique identity, language, and traditions. Catalonia, with its avant-garde architecture by Antoni Gaudí in Barcelona and its strong sense of regional pride, offers a fascinating blend of modernity and history. Andalusia in the south evokes images of Moorish palaces like the Alhambra in Granada, the soulful sounds of flamenco in Seville, and sun-drenched beaches along the Costa del Sol. Madrid, the bustling capital, pulsates with energy, boasting world-class art museums like the Prado and Reina Sofia, alongside a vibrant nightlife and delicious tapas culture. The Basque Country in the north offers a dramatic coastline, world-renowned gastronomy in San Sebastian, and the architectural marvel of the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao. Spain's culinary scene is a celebration of fresh ingredients and bold flavors, from the iconic paella of Valencia to the cured hams and sherries of Andalusia. If you're seeking a trip filled with lively culture, stunningly diverse landscapes ranging from arid plains to lush mountains and beautiful beaches, and a generally more budget-friendly experience, Spain could be calling your name. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Be prepared for a late-night lifestyle and a culture that embraces spontaneity and social interaction. Finally, we arrive in Italy, a country that effortlessly blends ancient history, breathtaking art, and a deep-rooted appreciation for the finer things in life. From the moment you set foot on Italian soil, you'll be surrounded by a palpable sense of history, from the awe-inspiring Colosseum and Roman Forum in Rome to the artistic masterpieces of the Renaissance in Florence. Tuscany's rolling hills, dotted with cypress trees and vineyards, paint a picture of idyllic beauty, while Venice's intricate network of canals and stunning palazzi offer a truly unique and romantic experience. The Amalfi Coast's dramatic cliffs and colorful villages clinging to the seaside are simply unforgettable. Italy's artistic legacy is unparalleled, home to works by masters like Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli, housed in world-class museums and historic churches. And, of course, there's the food. Italian cuisine is beloved worldwide for its simplicity, its emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients, and its incredible regional diversity. From creamy risottos in the north to wood-fired pizzas in Naples and delectable seafood along the coasts, every meal in Italy is a celebration. If you're drawn to ancient ruins and Renaissance art, dream of exploring picturesque landscapes and charming towns, and crave authentic culinary experiences in a country steeped in history and tradition, Italy might be your ultimate destination. While some of its major tourist hubs can be quite popular, and thus potentially more expensive, venturing off the beaten path can reveal hidden gems and more affordable experiences. So how do you choose between these three incredible countries? Consider your priorities and travel style. Are you seeking the epitome of elegance and romance? France might be your perfect match. Do you crave a vibrant and passionate atmosphere with diverse regional experiences? Spain could be calling your name. Are you longing for a journey through ancient history, breathtaking art, and iconic landscapes? Italy might just steal your heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Perhaps you're a foodie whose priority is experiencing world-renowned cuisine. In that case, all three countries offer exceptional culinary adventures. France for its refined techniques and gourmet experiences, Spain for its social tapas culture and bold flavors, and Italy for its regional specialties and comforting classics. Or maybe you're an art and history enthusiast. Italy shines with its Roman and Renaissance heritage, while France boasts impressive museums and historical sites spanning centuries, and Spain offers a unique blend of Roman, Moorish, and Gothic influences. Think about the pace of travel you prefer. Do you envision leisurely days exploring charming villages and savoring long meals? All three countries can offer this, but the general pace might feel slightly more relaxed in parts of Spain and Italy compared to the often bustling cities of France. Consider your budget as well. While it's possible to travel affordably in all three, Spain generally offers the most budget-friendly options, followed by Italy, with France often being the most expensive, particularly in its major tourist areas. Ultimately, there is no right or wrong answer. Each of these countries offers an unforgettable travel experience, filled with its own unique blend of culture, history, beauty, and flavor. Perhaps the best approach is to delve a little deeper into specific regions within each country that pique your interest. Read travel blogs, browse photos, and maybe even try learning a few basic phrases in each language. Trust your gut feeling and let your passions guide you. Whichever you choose, France, Spain, or Italy is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. And who knows? Maybe your first visit will simply be the beginning of a lifelong love affair with the diverse and captivating wonders of Europe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos.